Avalanche is an innovative blockchain platform that is changing the game with its lightning-fast speed and advanced security features. Let's dive in and explore what makes Avalanche stand out from the rest of the crypto projects. Buckle up, because we're getting started. Avalanche is a cheap, quick, and environmentally friendly ecosystem that allows the interaction of decentralized blockchains. It is known as the Ethereum killer for its extraordinary scalability as well as the flash-like transaction speed of up to 6,500 transactions per second. The project's blockchain consists of 3 networks. C-Chain enables the creation of smart contracts compatible with Ethereum. P-Chain coordinates validators, stores metadata, and tracks subnets. And X-Chain allows sending and receiving funds. Avalanche gives people a chance to make dApps and smart assets built on rapid, private, and permissionless platforms. One interesting feature of Avalanche is that it allows for the creation of customizable blockchains, both POS and POW. Users can fully customize all necessary parameters and set requirements for future validators. Avax is a project's native coin made for protection via staking, fees payment, and also delivering a basic currency unit between the few subnets started on Avalanche. The total emission of Avax is 720 million, and currently 327 million have been issued. The tokenomics of the project looks like this. Now, where did Avalanche come from? The project's history began in 2018 with the initiative of 3 people. Emin Gün Sirer, founder and CEO. A computer science professional at Cornell University, he has been working in the crypto industry for a long time. Kevin Seknicki, co-founder and COO. A graduate of Carnegie Mellon University. He has experience working at Microsoft and Amazon, participated in Microsoft Azure blockchain, and founded several other blockchain startups. Maofan Ted Yin, co-founder and CTO, a graduate of Yale University and an expert in mathematical modeling and data analysis. He has experience working at Microsoft and Airbnb. Following the research stage, a startup technology company was founded to develop a blockchain network that would meet finance industry requirement. In total, Avalanche was able to raise about $248 million over several rounds. Avalanche mainnet was launched in September 2020 by Ava Labs. Since then, Avalanche has grown into a multiverse that is focusing on accelerating the adoption and growth of its novel subnet, the premier scaling solution for Web3 apps. Today, more than 450 projects join the ecosystem of the project. Over $118 million in Avax is burned, and Avalanche gained the trust of over 1.5 million community members all around the world. Now, what are some of the advantages of Avalanche? It's one of a kind. The project has a truly exclusive technology. It managed to defeat competitors which usually face scalability troubles or lose a lot of functionality while scaling. Potentially, Avalanche is infinitely scalable due to 3 compatible blockchains. It's fast and cheap. Avalanche is capable of processing up to 6,500 transactions per second, making it one of the fastest blockchains in existence. What's more, the project claims to finalize transactions in less than 2 seconds. For a comparison, the same parameter for Ethereum is about 6 minutes. The fees on Avalanche are dynamic. This means that they fluctuate with the demand of the network and float between 75 NAVAX and 225 NAVAX. Advanced security features. Avalanche is one of the most secure blockchains. While Bitcoin has a weak point called 51% attack, in Avalanche 80% of the total supply is needed, which is significantly safer. The platform uses a consensus mechanism called Avalanche X, which is designed to prevent double spending and other malicious activities on the network. Customizable blockchain networks. With Avalanche, developers can create custom blockchain networks, both POS and POW, and decentralized applications, dApps, that can be tailored to specific cases and requirements. It is eco-friendly. According to the Crypto Carbon Ratings Institute research, the Avalanche public blockchain consumes 35,000 times less energy than Ethereum and 200,000 times less than Bitcoin. Now, what are the disadvantages of Avalanche? Competition. Avalanche faces stiff competition from other blockchain platforms like Ethereum, Polkadot, Near, and others. It is too kind to intruders. Harmful activity doesn't get penalized for mistakes or fraud. It is called slashing. Ethereum, for example, has at least 32 Ether required to be a network validator. It has a special slashing protocol for validators who break the rules. The official website of Avalanche states, "Stake tokens are never at risk of slashing." As we can see, Avalanche is a rapidly developing platform which is ready to respond fast to customers' needs and demands. This attentiveness helps it provide high quality services and keeps a lot of users interested as well as attract new ones. The growth of the Avax price shows the real interest in this project. Avalanche is definitely worth keeping an eye on if you're ready to become part of the Avalanche community. But if you're not sure on how to buy Avax, just go to SimpleSwap and enjoy the smoothest exchange process. Please remember that this video was created for informational purposes only and it does not contain any financial advice. Always do your own research before getting into crypto. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button to help us promote this video. And don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.